Italian lessons by Max, the Italian tutor. Hit like please and subscribe on my YouTube channel.
Salve! Pronomi personali. Io, tu, lui, lei, noi, voi, loro. In italiano we have singular and plural of you. The singular is tu. The plural is voi. We have an important observation about the use of tu and voi. We can't say tu to everyone, like in English. For example, in England you can call tu everyone, people not familiar, people down the road, old people, young people. You can even say to you to a king, and it's absolutely normal. But in Italian, not. It's unkind, it's unpolite. For example, it's very unpolite if a child call to an old man, or for example the teacher into the classroom. You say tu professore. It's very impolite. You can say tu only with relatives, only with friends, only with neighbors, only with people familiar. We have to call people in respectful way with lei, like her, like she. We have to use lei for man and for woman. For example, buongiorno signora, lei è una persona interessante. Buongiorno signore, lei è una persona interessante. We use lei for the woman, use lei for the man. Another way to call somebody not familiar is the plural of you, voi. For example, voi, professore, siete una persona interessante. Voi, professoressa, siete una persona interessante.
If you like my lessons, please hit like on my YouTube channel and my Facebook page, Max the Italian Tutor.